OBS open. Okay, there we go. Configure video. Minutes to apply. Okay. Okay. Here we are. We are mid market. It is actually 9:49. So it is Wednesday, March 18th. It is, damn, it's a month out till my birthday. But I'm able to stay on until 11, until whenever I basically need to, until 11. But I like, I was like, oh wait, I should probably record this. And I see something play out that I just need my soup CISD entry, right? So, oh, I can't sleep. Now I just need, what is that? I just need my soup CISD, right? Like, okay, I don't even know what I'm gonna pull up because okay, where are my targets? I got, I got. If I can find, if there's like a retrace in here, targets obviously down there, but honestly, I like lower, like way lower. Oh, that's a perfect soup on the 15-minute, like no sync. But it was weird because let me go over some of coming into the market. We just dumped like like 400 points. Yeah, like 400 points. And so I'm like, usually when we have this big of a dump, market open is going to be kind of crappy, right? A little bit less, volume, probably more choppy. And so I'm like, okay, what do I need to see to continue taking shorts? Okay, I need to see us. I had this bounce price range drawn out because I'm like, okay, that's really the last one that signaled this whole up move. This could be looking at it on the 4 hour perspective, 4 hour manipulation, possibly. Um, but it's either that old move or it's this. And so I have that drawn out. So I'm like, that's the bounce price range. I want to see us push up. Like I have, for me to take shorts, I need to see us push up here first. No soup. Did ES soup it? No, that's like perfect though. Oh, am I going to count that as a soup? Shit. No, this is the thing where if I'm here and I'm taking this 2.5, yeah, taking 2.5. Uh, Two on the sell side. If we get closure below here. Well, not really closure. I need to see us close. What would be nice? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna print much more candles like this. If we start chopping here, not good. So really, this should be the the sign to enter shorts right here. But what was I even talking about? Oh yeah, the how I need to see us push up to take shorts because I'm like, if we just dump, okay, that's a continuation thing. I can't take that. Like that's not my model. And so I have to sit here and wait until we possibly get a retrace. Okay, boom. We pushed up, started selling off. I'm like, okay. I didn't see us sweep anything. Boom. We manipulated, swept that, closed below here. And then now ugh, it's like I don't want to see us just wick here, but let's buy to stop and then buy to limit down here. If we don't, oh shit, we didn't close below, but hey, that's fine. Um, yeah, I want to. Damn, I got a bad feel on that. But does that get rid of that limit? I don't think that does get. If so, if this stop gets hit, I don't think this limit gets removed, so I need to be careful of that. But I mean, could see us. That's kind of how the action's been kind of janky. So I will. I'm losing like 25 more cents by that one. Ooh, if we close below that, I don't really care though. But I mean, that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing push up, okay, pushing it down. I'm like that. It doesn't make sense for us to just reverse right here, right? I need to see us manipulate, sweep something out, and then go, and then my model form right here. So, ooh, not close. Another slight up close candle there, close below, and then make an order block. Maybe. Who knows? But I mean, that's exactly what I need to see. Ugh. Is that? Are we actually in discount of this? Close enough. Close enough to the point of where, ugh, I do not like us wicking here. But usually that means if we are going lower, it's going to take one small candle to close, and then it's just going to lose the floor. Uh, but ooh, what's the RR on this from my entry? 2? Oh, oh, perfect, perfect. I'm fine with that. But yeah. I mean, got a really shit fill there, but I mean, so we have CISD1, then we have CISD2, which I entered off of. God, all these. There's got to be a better way to mark these out. So, man, I didn't. That does not look nice. Hey, look, somebody's in basically the same trade. Why did he go break even? Who knows why? But yeah. I mean, damn, it's before 10. Ooh, 10 a.m. opens high back up now. Opens high, soup some stuff now. Yeah, the idea behind this trade's good. I like lower. I feel like we pushed up high enough. Why don't I keep trying to like justify the trade? No, liquidity sweep, manipulation, discount, fair swing type of thing. So I'm not going to get rerun up on unless we're sweeping internals again, in which I'll just find another entry. Turtle soup, change in the state. So I don't need to justify it. Drink my water. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to get stopped out. No, don't care. Take my vitamins. Yeah. Where's OBS? OBS. OBS. No, no, no. Go down. Go back down. No. 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 Ooh, there we go. Fuck. Brother. Did I just get wicked out? Oh, unfortunate. Now let's just hope. Does it? Oh, it doesn't get rid of that. Cool. Now, how much did I actually lose there? Because no, no, I lost the right amount. Hey, I'm fine with that. 125, risk 125 to make whatever. But alrighty. So took that loss. We never, we got closure, quote unquote, below, but watch YouTube start saying, no, no, you can't be taking vitamins in the morning on video. But, um, I mean, good setup. And actually, this is going to be better. Oh, dude. Okay, but I can't take, no, I can't take that. I would love to see more action though, because this is quite a big stop loss. Let's see on MNQ, this has a wick. NQ it doesn't. Oh shit. What the hell? So I I can't. This is too big of a the R isn't in it, too big of a trade to take. Um unless because we're at 10 a.m. opened low. Alrighty, but so now if I'm really looking at the charts, what do I see? We failed to take the lows, right? We kept sweeping this, we took that, so now we should be looking for this. We didn't sweep this yet, so this high should still be protect, should be protected. So I don't want to see this taken, or unless we're super bullish. But I think we're bearish in this, and so now try and find an entry to get short, which I don't know. Um, Obviously this wasn't the cleanest setup, but it was pretty clean. So what time are we playing? 9:15 p.m. tonight. Well, I am gonna be salty if we just melt straight through this because then it's not my entry model. What does 2 minutes look like? Or yeah, already. Already, it's kind of just chopping around at these highs. But I mean, how long has this video been? It's been 12 minutes, I think. Oh, I can't. I can't. I can't. There'll be entries later. Cool. Give me have this candle close and then close higher. Yeah, this is just I didn't like the RR on it, but now thinking about it, I should just take it. Should have taken it because even a 1 to 1.7, 1.2. Well, after taking a loss, I need a 1 point or a 2.0 to get like a winning day. So, but I would have made the money, so then it wouldn't have mattered anymore. But really, I don't want to see any closure back up inside of here. Cool. Damn, these are some like nasty ass candles. Holy crap. Like, well, now we took this, and so rebalance should have just held there and dumped, but I mean, what else am I going to say? What else am I going to say? Oh my god, I can't take this either. Damn, damn, that's fucked. Like that, this, I see the setups. Okay, we have the background, liquidity sweep manipulation, discount, and we have the soup CISD. Not very clean. For me, like that's a little bit less egregious stop loss, but like a 2 is down there. So, like, ooh, just give me some better, give me like a solid fractal to enter on and then shut it down. Overall, I mean, fuck that to that. Oh, that's like 1.1.5. Yeah, would have been pretty good, but I mean, I have a feeling we're just gonna end up melting at some point without me being in. Uh, so I think another thing, no, was the because this technically um isn't discount, but this order block right here, I mean, we didn't touch it, so we're kind of holding away from it. Closure blow, enter, boom. I'm trying to justify now why it was a bad trade to take, but I'm like, it's not a bad trade to take. It's a good trade to take. It just didn't. I mean, with the 60% win rate, you're gonna lose out of every 10 trades. So what can you do about that? Some nasty action. Let me mark that out. I gotta take an econ quiz. Oh my gosh, don't you dare. Close below that. That's good for shorts, but like, I don't like this back and forth action. Are we gonna sweep out that feather swing right here? I mean, with how this action's looking, we very much well could. So, I mean, it's been another quite a long time. I mean, I kind of went over what I wanted to see in the market. Like, okay, I knew it's gonna be a little janky, but I saw like if I wanted to take shorts, I need to see us push up to then take shorts. Boom, waited, saw my model, saw an entry, took it, got stopped out, and then now I'm just waiting to find another re-entry to go lower, which will probably end up be that if we close like up here, I'm not gonna like it. Um, I think then possibly pushing higher, but this does not look like a good spot for us to just reverse off of. Obviously, holding this BPR from yesterday. I had this drawn out yesterday too, so I've been looking at it for a little bit. But I mean, is this going to be another accumulate, manipulate these people out, and then go? Because I would love to see that. But I mean, yeah, if we don't close above, I still like shorts a lot. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause it, and then if I do end up taking a trade, resume it and explain it. But if I don't, then I'm not gonna do anything. Then I'm just gonna stop the video there. And with us closing up here, yeah, eh, who knows? I will unpause it if I see something going on. So we kind of just I slammed through it without giving me an entry, and I believe these are equal highs as well. Yeah, yeah. So I mean now I mean this was a huge candle to the downside. I mean since we did that, I it's hard for me to look for a rebalance because that rebalance would be bullish. Then if we start closing back up here, the only other thing that I might see is us, come back up to this change in the state, that change in the state. But I think we're going for the lows, which is unfortunate. Uh, because I had an entry, but then I just got caught on the rebalance and the rebalance. And then I didn't get any more entries uh for it. But I mean that'll happen some days where, I see that I need to take this because it's my model. Um the only tiny thing was that it wasn't a true rebalance, but really if we should be pretty bearish here, we should just go, right? Push low, rebalance up into that, not do that. what we did. But I mean, that's all I got for today. There might be another setup, but I got to take this econ quiz and then head to the bathroom. So I will see you guys later.